Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is street style egg fried rice. Street style egg fried rice is a popular and flavorful dish often found in bustling urban markets. Let's start the recipe. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Take 3 eggs and beat them. Its quick preparation and bold flavors make it a favorite among those seeking a delicious and satisfying on-the-go meal. Now fry on high heat. Street-style egg fried rice can offer some health benefits when prepared with balance and moderation. Eggs, a primary ingredient, provide high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and various nutrients like vitamin B12 and selenium. The inclusion of vegetables adds fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants to the dish, promoting overall well-being. Add 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix well. In the same vessel, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add half chopped onion, half cup of chopped carrot and chopped beans, and 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Adjust salt as per your taste. Saute them only on high heat. Do not burn. Now add fried eggs. Mix well. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Adjust red chili powder and black pepper powder as per your taste. Mix well. Add nearly 250 grams of cooked rice. Add 2 tablespoons of chili tomato sauce. Or you can add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Here I am using chili tomato sauce, so I added 2 tablespoons of it. Add 1/2 tablespoon of soya sauce. Add salt as per your taste. Mix well. Finally, add coriander. Very tasty and delicious egg fried rice is ready. Serve hot. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. More rice recipes and biryani recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.